Hello and welcome to Bliss Music Academy. We're going to be looking at another musical theatre song today. The song we're going to be looking at is Friend Like Me from Aladdin. So we're going to go straight in and talk about the character for this, because that's kind of the main thing that gets you through this song. This is a genie that has been stuck in a lamp for thousands of years. He's magic, he can grant wishes, he can shapeshift, he can become other people, he can turn you in whatever you want to be. And he's been not able to do that for thousands of years and stuck inside a lamp. So this is his chance to break out and do whatever he wants and show off to the person that has let him out of this lamp that's set him free, kind of free. So he's brash, he's loud, he's out there, he's eccentric. This is a really entertaining song. So there's a lot of parts where it is sung, but a lot of times where it's just playing around with voices, and you've got to really go for it and not be too shy about it, come up with different ways to say certain things. So it starts off right in that that you can start mimicking that brass band. This is what this has, the brass swing band feel, with the wada bwa 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 wada bwa, oh no, all of that. Really go for it. And that sort of sound come from a really twangy, it's almost like a schoolyard taunt. Nya, 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 wah, wah, wah. It's there. And that sets the whole thing up, right? So that you're giving this really playful thing before you go in to the main bit. Well, Ali Baba had those 40 thieves, Scheherazade had 1,000 tales. And this is one of the examples where it's kind of sung, but you can pick in and out. So as long as you know the tune, you can find bits where you sing it and find bits where you speak it. So this next bit, well, Master, you're in luck, 'cause up your sleeve, you can jump into a shouty sort of bit. There's some really fun bits where you can play around with your voice. You got some punch, pizzazz, yahoo, and how. This is where I would get into a more singing area. Again, sticking in that sort of wah jazzy. Mr. Aladdin, sir, what will your pleasure be? It is really quite spread sound. It's not rounded. Mr. Aladdin, sir, it's not there. It's really spread sound, really joyful. What will your pleasure be? Almost like classic Broadway sound. And then you can use voices, you can pretend to be people. Like when he's getting into the maitre d' bit, you can be a French waiter. Mr. Aladdin, sir, what will your pleasure be? Let me take your order, jot it down. You ain't never had a friend like me. Life is your restaurant and I'm your maitre d'. And this jazzy feel comes in where you don't really obviously sing most of it. Really play around with it, give it your own style. So for example, say what you wish, it's your true dish. How about a little more baklava? Really slide into that, rather than going little more baklava. That sounds really classic Broadway, which is kind of where we are, but we want to really enjoy it, build up that energy. Baklava, enjoy the slide. And that happens again. We've really built it up here. We've added that sort of speaky on. Can your friends do this? Can your friends do that? Can your friends pull this out their little hat? Can your friends go woo? And this bit I would add like your own flair and your own sort of dance moves. Can your friends do this? Or maybe come up with something, maybe like a dance move that you can do. I don't know what you could do, if you can juggle, if you can anything. Can your friends do this? Can your friends do that? Can your friends pull this out their little hat? After that middle section with your can your friends do this, it starts to build up urgency, because the genie's like, why isn't Aladdin reacting? I'm awesome with the you got me bona fide certified, got a genie for your charged affairs. I've got a powerful urge to help you out, so what's your wish? I really want to know. Really get into that on the bits that are gotta do is rub like so. sounds wrong, but really pull out that sharpened fifth. So, because that's what makes it sound really cool. It's this tension building up to Mr. Aladdin, someone wish on 2 or 3. This is really big. We've had a key change now. Well, I'm on the job, you bid me, Bob. You ain't. All of these. Never had a friend, never had a friend. Every single one, because the chord changes, you gotta make each of them, like, again, build that urgency, get into it. This is the big kick line moment at the end. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend like me. Kick line is the really big bit. Go for this last bit. You can speak it. You ain't never had a friend like me. Or you can sing it. You ain't never had a friend like me. So this whole song is just about having so much fun, enjoying, you're trying to show off all the things you can do. Add in those movements of, can your friends do this? Can your friends do this? Act like the French waiter, I'm your restaurant and I'm your maitre d', that sort of stuff. You ain't never had a friend like me. You can do a big kick line moment there, really go for it. Picking out things. For example, in the Broadway version, they do a section where he does some Disney karaoke and he sings some other Disney songs. So he's almost parodying other things. So in this, it's parodying a kick line, a Broadway show. Pull this out little hats like magicians because he's magic and he's probably the most magic thing you've ever seen. Imagine that you've been, just like the pandemic, imagine you've been stuck inside for years and years and years and years, and this is your chance to be let out and show out exactly what you can do. So imagine what this song is like and really go for it.